welcome back to Fondant Diary. Today I will show you how to make fondant baby shoes for baby girl and baby boy shoes. Before I begin, if you like fondant tutorials, don't forget to subscribe because I will continue to share other interesting fondant tutorials. Have you subscribed? If so, let's get started. First, prepare the template. I write the template link in the description. Cut out the pattern for baby boy shoes. Next, shape the fondant according to the pattern. Make thick shoe soles for about 4 mm. For other shoe parts can be made thinner. Make stitch pattern like in the picture. Next, I will make holes for shoelaces. I add a wad of fondant to the tip of the shoe. Give water. Attach the edges to the side of the shoe sole. Give tissue to hold fondant. And these are for the back parts of the shoes. Just make within fondant so you can easily bend it later. Make stitch patterns. Brush with water and stick it. Next, I will make the front of the shoes with white fondant. And these are for the bottom side of the shoes. Make 2 long pieces and 2 short pieces. Give stitch patterns. And stick to the front of the shoe. Attach the long fondant from the back to the side of the shoe. Cut it to the limit of the front white fondant. And the short pieces for the bottom front of the shoe. Next, I make shoelaces. Measure the length of shoelace. Make marks to cut. Cut it. Pinch both ends. Stick to the shoelace holes. Now I make the shoelace ribbons. And pinch the both ends. And this is it, the baby boy shoes fondant. Next, baby girl fondant shoes. Make thick soles. Make a mark for the front tip of the shoe. Give stitch pattern. Add a small wad of fondant. Brush water to stick. This is the mark for the front tip of the shoe. Stick it to the side of the shoe sole. Give tissue to hold its shape. Previously for the right shoe, now for the left shoe, the pattern paper must be reversed. Now I will add a fondant flour for each shoe. And also a fondant ribbon for the front of the shoe. Here it is, fondant baby shoes for baby girl and baby boy. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. If this video is useful for you, don't forget to like and comment, and see you on my next video.